In today's video, guys, we're going to be diving into how to optimize your Windows PC for gaming performance. Whether you're running Windows 10 or Windows 11, these tweaks will help boost your FPS and ensure smoother gameplay. If you're looking for a comprehensive guide to squeeze every ounce of power out of your system, this video is for you. So, guys, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe. Let's get started. Nagel's algorithm is a technique used to optimize TCP/IP networks by minimizing the number of small packets sent. However, in online gaming, it can introduce lag due to delayed packet transmission. Disabling Nagel's algorithm can help reduce latency and improve your connection in the multiplayer games. To disable it, press Windows plus X and select Device Manager. Expand the Network Adapter section, right-click on your network device, and select Properties. Under the Advanced tab, find TCP checksum offload and set it to disabled. You'll also want to disable large send offload if available. Notifications can be distracting, also use up system resources that would be better used for gaming. To disable notifications, go to Settings and then System and click on Notifications and Actions. Turn off the option. Get notifications from apps and other senders to prevent interruptions during your game. Cleaning up your hard drive and defragmenting or optimizing if you have an SSD can improve loading times and performance. To do this, open File Explorer, right-click on your primary drive, usually C, and select Properties. Under the Tools tab, click Optimize if you're using an SSD. This will be an optimization, not a defrag. This helps maintain disk performance, ensuring your system runs as smoothly as possible. Let's tweak your Windows power plan to get the most out of your CPU. First, click on the Windows search icon and type Power. Select Choose a Power Plan from the search results. In the new window, pick the High Performance plan. After that, click Change Plan Settings, then click Change Advanced Power Settings. In the Advanced Power Settings window, find the Hard Disk section, expand it, and set the power saving option to 0 to prevent the hard drive from entering sleep mode. Next, scroll down to Processor Power Management, which is key for optimizing your CPU. Expand this section and set both minimum processor state and maximum processor state to 100% to ensure your CPU is always running at full power. Once you've made these changes, click Apply, then OK and close the window. These adjustments will unlock your CPU's full potential, giving your system a noticeable performance boost. Now guys, download this Windows optimization pack from my website, link is in description. After downloading, first navigate to the Windows Registry Optimization folder and apply all the recommended registry tweaks on your PC. Then, go to the Ultimate Windows Tweaker folder and launch this highly efficient tool for Windows. Once the program is open, head to the Performance tab. Under the Performance section, I suggest enabling all the optimizations I've listed, such as disabling auto-starting programs and unresponsive apps, enabling the Restart After Error option, and turning off features like smooth scrolling and edge preloading. These tweaks will reduce unnecessary visual effects, freeing up CPU and RAM for better performance. Additionally, disable unnecessary Windows 10 services like the Tablet Input Service, Windows Security Center, and Prefetch service. Disabling the Prefetch service is especially important, as it handles temporary data that can slow down your system. Next, go to the Additional tab and select Network Tweaks. Apply all the recommended settings here as well. This includes enabling the onboard network adapter processor, limiting anonymous connections, and disabling features such as recent shares and the default admin disk share server. Also, hide your network from network discovery and the browser list to enhance privacy. After applying these network optimizations, click Apply Tweaks to finalize the changes. Once done, click Close. The tool will prompt you to restart your PC for the changes to take full effect. To get started with GearupBooster, download the tool from the official website using the link. After downloading, install it on your PC. Once installed, you'll see the GearupBooster interface. The first thing you'll need to do is log in with your Facebook or Google account. On the Home tab, you'll find all the games installed on your PC. If you go to the Games tab, you can browse thousands of games available for optimization. To optimize your network and FPS, return to the Home tab and select the game you want to boost. For example, I'll select Fortnite. Click the Boost button, and the tool will begin optimizing the game. It will automatically find the best server for you. Next, you'll need to choose your server region. Select the nearest server for the best connection. In my case, the middle server works best. After selecting the server, close the window. Now go to the Not tab where you'll see a list of servers available in the Middle East. Choose the nearest one or let GearUp automatically pick the best server for you. I recommend setting it to Automatic for the best results. Finally, close the window and launch your game using GearupBooster. Now guys, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Once you're inside, head to the Gaming section and make sure to turn off the Xbox Game Bar. The game bar can cause your game to lag since it runs in the background. If you need a recording tool, consider alternatives like NVIDIA Shadowplay, though I recommend using OBS for better performance. For now, just make sure to turn off the Xbox Game Bar. Next, navigate to Game Mode and ensure it's turned on. Game Mode has improved significantly with each Windows update, and it's definitely worth enabling. While you're in the Gaming section, click Graphics Settings under Related Settings. If the option for hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling is available, enable it for better performance. Now under the Choose an App, select Desktop App and click Browse. Navigate to the installation folder of the game you want to optimize. For example, if you're optimizing Fortnite, go to its installation folder. Then Fortnite game, binaries, Win64, and find the .exe file for Fortnite. Do the same for other games like Valorant or Counter-Strike. Once you locate the game's .exe file, select it and click Add. After that, click Options, choose High Performance, and hit Save. Your game is now optimized. Close the settings and you're done. To disable unnecessary services in Windows, press the Windows key plus R, type services.msc, and hit Enter. This opens the Services page where you'll find all the services running either automatically or manually. Not all of these are essential, and disabling some can help improve performance. For example, if you don't use Bluetooth, you can safely disable Bluetooth services along with the AV-CTP service. However, if you rely on Bluetooth, skip this step. Another service you can disable is, if you don't use Maps, you can disable the Download Maps Manager. Similarly, if you don't have a printer, disabling the Print Spooler will free up resources. If you don't use a scanner or related devices, Windows Image Acquisition can also be disabled. For those who don't participate in the Windows Insider program, the Windows Insider service can be turned off. Additionally, Windows push notifications can be disabled, but note that this will stop Windows notifications from appearing. Windows Search can also be disabled if you don't often use the search feature, though this may reduce search functionality, leaving you with only basic search options. Disabling these services will lower memory usage and improve overall system performance. After disabling these services, restart your PC and check Task Manager. You should see a noticeable decrease in memory usage, which can improve system performance, particularly during gaming. To maximize your system's performance, be sure to disable both animations and transparency effects.